and just love it. Love the 7-Eleven in Taiwan. And if I spend enough money and get enough tickets or little stickers.
7-Eleven not expensive.
No, it's very cheap. And if I spend enough money, I get a gift. I get a little cup or whatever I want for soup. So 7-Eleven is amazing, y'all. It's fun. Look what I can eat for breakfast. So no excuse, no excuse. That's why everybody is skinny over here. They get good food. Yes, like my coworker. She is very skinny. Yes, because she can eat healthy food all the time. All right.